Now today's recipe is perfect for one of those busy weekday dinners because it's all cooked in one pot and it's gonna give you a new twist for Taco Tuesday. Let's get started. To start this one-pot taco spaghetti, I'm adding 1 pound of ground beef to my pot. I'm gonna fry this down, breaking it up until it's fully cooked. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm then gonna be seasoning this with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, which is pretty much the same as chili powder with some garlic powder and cumin. And at this point, it's really important to check the meat for salt as well. Be sure that it's well seasoned. Next goes in a tablespoon of tomato paste for its richness, and a can of diced tomatoes with green peppers is being added. This is going to give the spaghetti its rich southwestern taste. And don't forget that this recipe is always listed down below in the description box. I'm adding 3 cups of water and a package of spaghetti. This is going to get cooked into that rich sauce. Break down the spaghetti so that it's submerged all into that water, and cover and simmer this for about 15 minutes. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already because I upload quick videos of easy recipes like this one right here every other day. So be sure to click that bell also so you won't miss out. This one-pot taco spaghetti is the perfect weekday dinner. All of that sauce is deliciously thickened and cooked in all of that hearty spaghetti. Top this off with some shredded cheese and some chopped cilantro, and everyone is guaranteed to love taco night. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next time.